Good evening and thanks for joining us tonight. We begin with new details on last month's Pulaski bonfire explosion that put 4 high school students in the hospital for burns and injured many others. A month later, the Shawano County Sheriff's Office released a statement today concluding their investigation. Katie Shiro has the new details.
2 teens and a homeowner may face charges related to the Pulaski bonfire explosion that occurred last month.
The incident happened on Cedar Drive in Maple Grove. About 60 people were celebrating Pulaski's homecoming weekend when a 55-gallon drum containing gas and diesel fuel was put on the fire, according to the Shawano County Sheriff's Office. An explosion injured 30 to 40, including 17 who were taken to area hospitals. The Sheriff's Office has released a statement concluding its investigation. They said charges have been forwarded for review against a 17-year-old boy from Green Bay, a 16-year-old boy from Pulaski, and the homeowner who was present during the incident. The teens may face charges for second-degree reckless injury and injury by negligent handling of fire.
The charges will be forwarded later this week to the Shawano County District Attorney's Office. The Shawano County Sheriff's Office said they thank everyone for coming forward with information and for being patient during this investigation. In Pulaski, I'm Katie Shiro, NBC 26.